So today on Thing of the Week, we are probably going to do the easiest DIY ever for organizing your washi tape and storing it so that it's easier for you. So this is kind of like a washi tape ring. Lots of people say you can do this with an embroidery ring, but this method you just use things around your house. So let's dive right into it. So here I have a bunch of washi tape, like I'm sure many of you do have, and I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to organize it. So you'll see that I have a satin piece of ribbon here. So it could be a ribbon, it could be a scarf, it could be whatever you have. It could be rope, anything like that. All I'm going to do is just feed all the washi tapes through it, just like this. Okay, and now all you do is you gather up your ribbon and you just tie a slip knot. So you just gather it together at the top and you grab with one hand, you make a little bit of a loop, stick your fingers through it and grab the other end and grab through and keep a little bit around your thumb and just pull. And that makes your little slip knot. And now what you can do is you have your ring of your washi tape, and it's really, really easy to use this. So here you have your completed ring, and all you have to do to use it is you just undo the knot, so you pull the long string, and you take out the piece of washi tape that you need. So I take out the blue piece because I want to use the blue one, take it out, use it, put it back in through the loop, and tie my slip knot again, and I am good to go. So you might be thinking, what happens if you want a washi tape that's not at the top? How do you easily access it without removing them all? So here I have the black and white washi tape that I want. So I just feed the ribbon through, and then I take and I move the washi tape that I need to the top. Then I undo the slip knot, and then I have access to that one washi tape that I need right by the knot. Take it out, use it, put it back in through the loop, and then tie my slip knot again, and then I'm done. So easy peasy, and this is just using things that you probably have lying around the house to organize your washi tape. So great. And the last thing I want to show is that you can hang it up on a thumbtack like I do here. So please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this.